Today we will learn tenses. There are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. In this video, we will learn about simple tenses: simple past, simple present, and simple future. So, these are some helping verbs which helps you to identify tenses. Let's begin. Simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to talk actions that happened and finished in the past. For example, we ordered pizza last night. So, with the help of verb, we come to know which tense it is. So, here ordered is the verb, that is an action word which tells you this activity happened in the past. So, it is simple past tense. Next is I lived in Bangalore. So here the verb is lived, which tells you that is past action. I lived in Bangalore. So this is simple past tense. Next is simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to talk about actions that happens regularly, facts or general truths. Jupiter is the largest planet, so it is a fact. So here, with the help of the word is, that is an helping verb which helps you to identify that it is simple present tense. Next is my mother reads a book every night. So here the word reads is an action which tells you that it is a daily activity which happens regularly, so it is simple present tense. Next is simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen later or in the future. For example, I will make pudding for the dessert. So here the activity of making pudding that will happen in the future. So with the help of word will make. So here you will come to know it is simple future tense. Next is I will pick you up at 4 p.m. So with the help of the verb that is will pick, you understand that this sentence is simple future tense. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Sujata Teaches. Thank you.